We are starting energy stored in a capacitor. Initially, the capacitor is unchanged when voltage is zero. When it connects to the source on the potential different V, it is charged. Finally, when the charge Q and minus Q are deposited on the plates, the potential difference between the plates become V. The average voltage on the capacitor is V. These are the energy stored in capacitor. For example, energy is equal to U to QV multiplied by 2 from Q to CV. It is also opposite to the regard the energy is being stored in the electric field between the plate rather than potential energy of the charge on the plate. Such a viewpoint is useful when the electric field between the plate is considered rather the charge on the plate causing the field is to be considered. We know that, for example, V is equal to ED and C is equal to AE. VE is equal to D. Subtraction this value in the equation, we get E. For example, U is equal to 1 by 2 zarbe 1 E is equal to D zarbe DE square. U less than 1.2 AD. The product AD is volume between the plates. Let U denoted the energy density. That is the energy considered is. U is a unit of volume the field then. For example, U energy volume. For example, U1 by 2. Charging and discharging a capacitor through a resistor. Consider a circuit having a capacitance C and resistance R which are joined in the series with a battery of voltage V through a key K are shown in the figure. Let us assume that the capacitor C has not charge when the key T is full. These are the initial condition of the circuit. Then when the key is passed, the capacitor begin to the store charge. F any time during charging is the current through the circuit, and Q is the charge on the capacitor is can be shown. Then after time T is the charge built up on the plates and repelled more charge than is arriving in the current drop is the charge on the plate increase. The gap between time T and charge Q is the shown in the figure. At time T is equal to 0 charge Q is equal to 0, and at the certain time T charge Q reach its maximum value Q.